Use this immediately you wake up in the morning, and the result is going to shock you. Hi, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Lukman, and on this channel we talk spirituality, we give spiritual tips and how to make money the natural way. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Subscription is free and you are not paying anybody. Click on the subscribe button and hit on the notification bell so that when next I release video, you will be the first to be notified. And today I'm going to be teaching you the simple or the simplest way to clear your path of financial troubles. If you are having difficulties or you do things and nothing is working for you, then you can do this simple spiritual recipe and it's going to work for you because it's a bomb. It works like magic. You will even be surprised that you don't even know this since all this while, because it's so simple but at the same time it's very effective. And what are we going to be using? We are going to be using just water, and not any other, not just any water. We are going to be using rainwater. Rainwater. I guess you will also be surprised that so you can use rainwater for to make money. Yes, rainwater. You can use rainwater for a lot of things. In spirituality, we don't joke with rainwater. I have a lot of rainwater. I have cakes of rainwater. Every year I collect rainwater and I use it. Just very little like this goes a long way. Just a drop of rainwater is very, very effective. It's not just like any water. And you know, I don't want to go into the spiritual essence of rainwater. The Almighty has blessed that type of water because no man can say exactly where that water is coming from. It is the Almighty that is blessing us with that water, and that water has a lot of spiritual uses. And we are going to be using this rainwater recipe to attract financial abundance, to attract prosperity, to attract wealth. A lot of money. Use it to attract money. Whatever you are doing, if you are in the office, you are doing an office work. If you do business, if you do online hustles, you do online jobs. If you sell things, e-commerce, you sell things online or offline, this will work for you. Now, what are the ingredients we are going to be using? Like I told you in the intro, we are going to be using just rainwater. I'll be linking in the description. At the same time, I'll be linking at the end of this video where you can go to learn about how to collect rainwater and the different uses of rainwater. But in this particular one, we are going to be using rainwater to attract abundance, to attract wealth and prosperity. Apart from the rainwater, we are going to be needing a piece of paper, just small like this, just little. This one we do. So how do we do this? On the paper, you just get your pen and write whatever you desire. If you are working in an office and you've not been promoted for a while, or you are working and the money is not coming in, or you want a raise, you want your oga to increase your salary, or you want other sources of income, then you are going to be writing it on this paper. Or you sell and people are not coming to your store, money is not coming in, or the money is coming in but you don't know what exactly you are doing with the money, or you are doing online hustle but you have never received any money. You have never received people have never blessed you with money. You are doing online e-commerce and people are not buying, people are not patronizing you, or they are patronizing but you have a lot of returns. They will buy and they will ask you to refund them. So just do this little thing and money will start locating you. Not only that, money will locate you, and at the end of the day, that money will stay with you and use the money for good things of life. So it is simple. Just write your intention. You are not going to be writing story. If you desire financial prosperity or you want money, quick money, just write prosperity or abundance. Just to be writing so many things. Just write prosperity and money. You can use it for so many for other things, but it's better if you are using it for prosperity, for abundance, for financial breakthrough, for money. That's what you write. So you can write abundance, you can write wealth, you can write money, you can write prosperity. Just write single things like that. Then you just fold the paper. And anytime you are folding a paper, because it's not just a paper, it's a spiritual paper. Once you are folding it, you fold it to yourself. Just fold it like this. Fold it to yourself. Then you take the water, you open it, drop the paper, the piece of paper, drop it in it. Drop it in it. Once you drop it in it, then you shake it. You shake it, you shake it, you shake it. Once you shake it, you can see the paper is already opened because it was folded. Now it is open. It is then you start saying your intentions into it. You want financial abundance. You want financial breakthrough. You want health, wealth. You want money, good money. You want people to be blessing you with money. You want promotion so that money will come to you. You say everything, all the things, your intention, you say it into it. Once you say it into it, then you continue to shake it while saying your intentions. Once you say that, then you are going to be keeping this for 7 days, 7 nights, because you do it in the evening. You do this in the evening, so you are going to be keeping it for 7 nights. So on the 7th night, you take it from where you kept it, you open it again, then you open it. Also say your intentions into it, pray into it, cover it again. You cover it again, then you shake it, shake it, and you keep it back. So if you wake up on the 8th day, that is in the morning of the 8th day, if you wake up, then you use this to wash your face. You use it to wash your face. After using it to wash your face, you use it to wash your hand, then you use it to wash your feet. Use it to wash your face, use it to wash your hand, use it to wash your feet. Using it to wash your face, you are saying that wherever you get to, you'll be attractive. People will be attractive to people. People will like your face. If 10 people are submitting quotations or they are submitting applications, you will be the favorite because you'll be attractive. And using it to wash your hand, what you are saying is that the Almighty should bless the work of your hand. Anything that you do with your hand, God is going to bless you. Even if you do online business, God is going to bless your hand. If you sell online, if you sell offline, God is going to bless you. If you do handiwork, if you do craft, God is going to bless you. You are a contractor, you are a businessman, God is going to bless the work of your hand. And using it to wash your leg means that wherever you get to, you will be favored. Wherever you get to, you will be blessed. And it's as simple as that. You can use it for just once or use it for 3 times. If you use it once, you are going to use all the water. Wash your face, wash your hand, wash your leg. Wash your face, wash your hand, and wash your leg. That's just 1 night. Use everything. But you are using it for 3 nights. The first morning you do it, wash your face, hand, and leg. Then the next day you do it. The 3rd day then you finish it. After finishing it, you can discard the paper in it. Just throw it away. It's not nothing will, or if you don't want to throw it away, just dig a hole and put it and just cover it. And that's all. This is very simple but effective. It's very simple but effective. People are given testimony to this. You can also give it. One thing I don't I don't preach what I don't do. I will do it before I come to preach. I learned this from somebody and also spiritualist, and it has really worked. It works like magic. So you can do it, and I pray and I believe that it's going to work for you, and you are going to give your testimony. If you want to see the effectiveness of rainwater and different way to use rainwater, then this video is for you.